forecast. Where? Maumee River and Waterville. When?
Holy crap, they did it.
Impacts at 11.0 feet. A few riverside cabins in Waterville become threatened. Lowland flooding occurs along with some water inundation on River Road. Additional details. At 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday, the stage was 10.8 feet. Thankful stage is 11.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise 11.2 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage just after midnight tonight. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 11.2 feet on April 26, 1961. http://www.weather.gov/safety/.